This is Formula One.
Hello, F1 fans. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about Formula One and want to stay updated with all the latest news and insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today, we have a major update about Alpine and their future in F1. So let's dive right in. It's now official. Alpine will no longer produce Renault power units, starting with the new regulations that are set to come into effect in 2026. This announcement has been anticipated for weeks, and Alpine has confirmed the news through a statement detailing their plans. According to the team, Formula One activities in Viry, excluding the development of a new engine, will continue until the end of the 2025 season. This transformation of the facility will involve the reassignment of resources and competencies currently dedicated to the F1 engine. Each employee involved in the project will be offered a position within Hypertech Alpine in Viry-Châtillon. So, what does this mean for Alpine? As the new regulations approach, the team will transition to being a customer team, meaning they will need to partner with another manufacturer to supply their engines. Initial reports suggest that Mercedes is set to be their primary partner, especially since Aston Martin has reached an agreement with Honda and will be moving away from their current supplier. This marks the end of an era for Renault, which has had a long-standing presence in Formula One for several decades. They have enjoyed notable successes, particularly in the 1990s with Williams, and more recently with Red Bull, where they powered Sebastian Vettel to 4 consecutive championships. Additionally, let's not forget the 2 titles won by Fernando Alonso with the Renault team in 2005 and 2006. However, since the introduction of hybrid engines in 2014, Renault's performance has significantly declined. Since parting ways with Red Bull at the end of the 2018 season, they have not supplied engines to any other teams, which has raised concerns about their competitiveness. Moving forward, the Viry facility will be repurposed into an advanced engineering center focused on high-performance vehicles for Renault and Alpine. In their statement, Alpine mentioned, following the consultation process and dialogue with employee representatives in Viry-Châtillon, Alpine has decided to establish a Formula One monitoring unit. This unit will aim to retain the knowledge and skills of employees in this sport and remain at the forefront of innovation for various Hypertech Alpine projects. As the team undergoes this restructuring, the decision to become a customer team is seen as a strategic move to reduce costs. Producing their own power units comes with significant financial burdens, and partnering with Mercedes, known for their reliability and performance over the last decade, could provide a competitive edge that Alpine has been lacking. As we look ahead to the 2026 season, it will be interesting to see how Alpine adapts to these changes and whether they can reclaim a competitive position on the grid. The upcoming years will be crucial as they navigate this transition. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this news insightful and want to keep up with everything Formula One, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you won't miss any updates. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way, so stay tuned.